Hello, and welcome to today's Focus on the Test mini lesson. Welcome to all of our subscribers, and thank you very much for joining us. Also to our students, continue the excellent progress that you're making, and remember that your labor is not in vain. It will pay off in the end. If you're an adult seeking to earn your high school credential, be sure to check out our website at www.yourpathforadultlearners.com, where you can learn more about our online GED and Hiset program. So now on to our lesson for the day.
Hello everyone, in today's lesson we're going to actually discuss a pie graph. Let's look at the instructions. So here we have the circle graph below shows all of Jason's expenses for last month. Jason spent $300 on his bills last month. Answer following questions based on the pie graph. And here we have Jason's monthly expenses. If you look at the pie graph, we have for bills, he spent 12%, others 28%, foods 10%, car 22%, and rent he spent 28% of his monthly income. Now we need to know what did he spend in total, which is not given to us. However, we do know what he spent on his bills. He spent $300 on his bills, but we do not know the amounts he spent on the other areas without calculating that information and finding out what he spent in total. So now we're going to go to the whiteboard so we can figure that out.
Enroll in Your Path today and get access to what our students get access to daily. Get access to online personalized GED, Hiset, and TABE courses, 24 hours, 7 days a week, individualized instructional guidance and a progress plan, study workbooks, learning materials and tools to reinforce your learning, tutoring, cap and gown, diploma cover, certificate of completion, test fees reimbursement, professional career academic coaching from IFC certified coaches, and next step services. Enroll today. Your Path wants to take a moment to congratulate its 2022 graduates. Congratulations, graduates, a job very well done. We are looking forward to more graduates. You still have time. 2022 is not over yet. We have a few mid-year announcements. Congratulations to Mr. Antone on earning perfect Hiset scores in social studies and science. Congratulations, Mr. Antone, a job very well done. Welcome to our new board members, Dr. Jones, Vice Chairman, Dr. Moulton, Secretary, Dr. Berkeley, Committee Member, and Dr. Haley, Committee Member. Welcome to our new board members. Welcome back from summer break, Your Path students. We are glad to have you back. We hope that you have enjoyed your summer. It is now time to get back to business, so let us all get ready for testing. Your Path would like to take this opportunity to say happy birthday to all of our students born in the month of August. We are wishing you a happy birthday and may you see many more to come.
Okay, let me get my ink pen. We know that he spent $300 on his bills, and his bills were 12% of his budget. Okay, so we have that information. Now we need to convert this percent into a decimal in order for us to create an equation that's going to allow us to solve for X, which is going to represent his total income that he spent on all of his bills. So now let's do that. In order to convert your percent to a decimal, you're going to divide 12 by 100, and that's going to convert your percent to a decimal. So we know that the decimal of 12% is 0.12, okay? So now that we have done that, we're going to take the total amount he spent on bills, which was $300, equals point 12, which was that percentage that he spent on bills. And we're going to solve for x. This will be our equation, okay? So now what we want to do, in order to solve for x, we need to divide both sides by 0.12 to get rid of this 12 that's beside the x. And this is multiplication. This means multiplication, so we have to divide, which is the opposite of multiplication. That is division. And what we do on one side, we must also do on the other side, okay? That's going to be a decimal. So these 0.12 will cancel out, leaving us with x. And now we need to divide 0.12 into 300. Let's bring up the calculator. We have 300 divided by 0.12, and that gives us 2,500. So that is the amount that he actually spent on all of his expenses, okay? Now that we have this total amount, we can go back to our exercise. There we go. And we can answer the following questions. Now we have, how much did Jason spend on his car last month? Well, we know that according to the pie chart, he spent 22% of his income on his car, okay? So we're going to take that $2,500 that we know he spent in total, and we're going to find out what is 22% of that total amount. And we're going to do that by putting in 2,500, and we're going to times that. We have to convert this percent to a decimal, and we already discussed how you do that. You just take the 22 and you divide it by 100, and that will give you the decimal. Or you can simply move 2 places to the left, and that will give you the decimal as well. So we're going to multiply that by 0.22, which is what he spent on his car, equals, and he spent $550 on his car. All right. Now let's go to, I'm going to move the calculator over here. Read question number 2. How much did Jason spend for foods last month? And we know, according to the pie chart, for foods, he spent 10% of his expenses. Okay? So that's just 10%, and we're going to take that 2,500, which was the total amount of income that he spent on all of his expenses, 2,500, and we're going to multiply that by 0.10, which is the decimal of 10%, and we get equals. So he spent $250 for foods last month. Okay? Now, I hope that this lesson has helped you. I'm sure that it will help our students in terms of solving the remaining problems as they are required to complete assignments like this in their coursework. I'm wishing everyone a great day. Stay blessed.
So good luck testing. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification button down below so that you're notified on our new releases. Also, join us on our other social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.